Wheat is essential. It has been cultivated for thousands of years and remains one of the most important crops in the world. Its significance spans across cultures and continents, making it a truly global staple. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, wheat has played a crucial role in shaping human history and development. It's a cornerstone of global food security. Wheat provides about 20% of the world's caloric intake, making it a vital source of nutrition for billions of people. Its ability to be stored for long periods without spoiling makes it an invaluable resource in times of scarcity and crisis. Billions depend on it every day. Whether it's in the form of bread, pasta, or other wheat-based products, this grain is a daily dietary staple for many. Its versatility allows it to be used in a wide variety of dishes, catering to different tastes and culinary traditions around the world. From bread to pastries, wheat flour is a key ingredient. It's a versatile grain. Beyond its nutritional value, wheat also holds cultural significance. Many traditional foods and festive dishes are made from wheat, symbolizing prosperity and abundance in various cultures. It adapts to various climates, making it a vital crop worldwide. Wheat can be grown in a range of environments, from temperate regions to arid zones. This adaptability ensures a steady supply of wheat, regardless of geographical and climatic challenges. Its importance goes beyond sustenance. Wheat connects us. It brings communities together, from farmers who cultivate it to families who share meals made from it. The journey of wheat from field to table is a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. Farmers, millers, bakers, they all play a role. Each step in the process is crucial, from planting and harvesting to milling and baking. These dedicated individuals ensure that wheat reaches our tables in the form of delicious and nutritious food. They work hard to bring this staple food to our tables. The journey of wheat is a complex and labor-intensive process that requires skill and dedication. It's a collaborative effort that spans across different sectors and industries. This essay delves into the journey of wheat. We will explore the various stages of wheat production, from planting and growing to harvesting and processing. Each stage is a critical link in the chain that ensures we have a steady supply of this essential grain. We'll follow it from the field to the factory floor. Understanding the journey of wheat helps us appreciate the effort and resources that go into producing our daily bread. It's a story of hard work, innovation, and resilience. Get ready to appreciate the intricate processes. From the advanced machinery used in harvesting to the precision required in milling, each step is a marvel of modern agriculture and technology. We rely on these processes for our daily bread. The journey of wheat is not just about the grain itself, but also about the people and technologies that transform it into the food we eat every day. We'll uncover the fascinating transformation. From a simple grain in the field to a staple in our kitchens, the story of wheat is one of transformation and innovation. We'll see it go from a simple grain to a kitchen staple. Join us as we explore the incredible journey of wheat and gain a deeper appreciation for this essential crop. The journey begins with a seed. This tiny grain holds the potential to feed many. It is a symbol of hope and sustenance. Farmers understand the importance of each seed they plant. They know that the future of their crops and ultimately their livelihood depends on these small beginnings. Farmers carefully sow these seeds. Timing is crucial. The right moment can make all the difference. They use advanced machinery to ensure even distribution. This precision helps in achieving uniform growth. The process is both an art and a science honed over generations. It depends on the climate. Weather patterns are unpredictable. Farmers must stay informed. They rely on technology to track forecasts. This helps them make informed decisions. A sudden change in weather can impact the entire crop. Adaptability is key to their success. The goal is to maximize yield. Soil preparation is key. Tilling the soil helps to aerate it. This allows roots to grow deeper. It also helps in mixing nutrients. A well-prepared seedbed is essential for healthy growth. Farmers take great care in this step. It ensures proper seedbed conditions. The soil must be just right, not too dry, not too wet. Farmers test the soil regularly. They check for pH levels and nutrient content. This attention to detail can make a significant difference in the yield. After sowing, the real work starts. Farmers monitor growth meticulously. They check for diseases. Pests are another threat. Regular inspections are crucial. Early detection can save the crop. Farmers use both traditional and modern methods to protect their plants. They can damage the crop. Irrigation is essential. It provides water. Without it, the plants would wither. Farmers set up complex irrigation systems. These ensure that every plant gets the right amount of water. It's a delicate balance that requires constant attention. Wheat needs water to thrive. Fertilizers are often used. They provide essential nutrients. This boosts growth. It also increases yield. Farmers choose their fertilizers carefully. They aim to use sustainable practices. This helps in maintaining soil health for future crops. The journey from seed to harvest is long. It demands dedication. Farmers invest their expertise. They work tirelessly through the seasons. Each stage of growth brings new challenges. But with each challenge, there is also the promise of a bountiful harvest. They ensure a bountiful harvest. Their hard work pays off. The golden fields are a testament to their efforts. It's a moment of pride and fulfillment. The cycle of life continues and the seeds of sustenance are ready to nourish the world once again. The field transforms. Golden hues signal harvest time. The wheat is dry, the grain is ready. This is where the magic happens. Combine harvesters enter the scene. These are marvels of engineering. They efficiently harvest the wheat. They separate the grain. They leave the straw behind. The John Deere S7 series is impressive. It combines cutting, threshing and winnowing. It's a one-pass operation. The harvested grain is collected. It's stored in a tank. Trucks then transport it. The destination is grain elevators. These structures are vital. They store vast quantities of grain. Section 4, from field to facility, transport and storage. The journey of grain from the field to the storage facility is a critical part of the agricultural process. It ensures that the grain remains in optimal condition until it is ready to be processed or shipped to markets around the world. Trucks arrive at the elevators, each carrying tons of freshly harvested grain. These trucks are a vital link in the chain, ensuring that the grain is transported quickly and efficiently from the fields to the storage facilities. They unload their precious cargo with care. The grain is transferred using advanced machinery. It goes into silos, which are enormous structures designed to hold vast quantities of grain. These silos are not just large, they are also engineered to protect the grain from various environmental factors. They keep it safe from the elements such as rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. The design of these silos ensures that the grain remains dry and safe, preserving its quality over time. Temperature and moisture levels are meticulously controlled within these silos. This prevents spoilage and maintains the grain's quality. Grain elevators play a crucial role in this process. They bridge the gap between the harvest and the next stages of processing or distribution. They connect the harvest to processing facilities, ensuring a seamless transition. The grain is moved efficiently from storage to processing plants, where it will be transformed into various products. The grain can be stored for months without losing its quality. These storage facilities are designed for long-term storage, ensuring that the grain remains in excellent condition for extended periods. It can even be stored for years. Despite the long storage times, the grain remains fresh and retains its quality thanks to the advanced storage techniques employed. This ensures a steady supply of high-quality grain to meet global demand. The efficient transport and storage systems are essential for maintaining the flow of grain from farms to markets around the world. Section 5. Refining, the bounty, cleaning and tempering. The journey continues. The grain moves from storage to processing. The first step is cleaning. It involves removing impurities. These include chaff, stones, and other debris. Machines use air and sieves. They effectively separate the grain. Magnets remove metal particles. This ensures purity. It safeguards food safety. After cleaning comes tempering. Water is added to the grain. This is a controlled process. It prepares the wheat for milling. Tempering softens the grain. This makes it easier to grind into flour. Section 6. From grain to flour. The cleaned and tempered grain is now ready for milling. Milling is the process where grains are ground into flour. This is done using a series of rollers. Each roller has a specific function. The first set of rollers breaks the grain, subsequent rollers grind it finer. The result is a fine powdery flour. The flour is then sifted. This separates the fine flour from any remaining bran. The bran can be used in other products. The flour is now ready for further processing or packaging. Section 7, flour to our tables. The journey from grain to flour is complete. Now the flour is sent to bakeries and food manufacturers. It is used to make a variety of products. These include bread, pastries, and pasta. The flour is also available in stores. Consumers buy it for home baking. The entire process ensures that the flour we use is fresh and high quality. It meets the demands of consumers worldwide. From fields of wheat to our tables, the journey of flour is a testament to modern agriculture and food processing.